Oh, this is perfect for any of us who's on the go, which is practically all of us. Let's talk about the incredible battery life that you're going to get in your newest gen of Intel Core Ultra PCs. Over here, we're doing some video that we're playing in Edge. We're crunching some numbers down in Excel. We're viewing a PowerPoint. And then we're also, of course, in a Teams meeting that a lot of us do all day. Here's the secret part that we have in our Intel AI PCs. We have our big performance cores, but we also have a low power island on the processor. We're showing all of our performance cores at the top. Well, they're less than 0.1%. All of our E-cores have gone ahead and decided these applications that we see, we know these, and we've coded and optimized them to run on our lowest power target on the system. Amazing performers, but energy sipping to make sure that you have all of the battery left over for all your capabilities. Regular laptops don't do that. These have been the longest battery life PCs that Intel has ever made.